Hi, my name is Jordan Davis, and this is my virtual robot project for ME4140. For part 1 of this assignment, I designed and modeled a 4 Degree of Freedom robot in MATLAB. I wanted something simple but realistic, so I created a blue and gray articulated arm that combines both revolutes and prismatic joints. This is just a picture of the assembled robot, and then these are the individual parts of the robot. I coded this robot to do a simple pick and place motion, as you can see here. The robot's motion is driven by forward kinematics, which I wrote a separate MATLAB code to solve. Here that is.